know that narratives are used to justify or to legitimize policy approaches. There's an expectation that we have narratives that exist in political debate, in the public domain. So when politicians debate immigration issues in Parliament, for example, or in the media. Now we'd expect that in policy-making fora, the narratives would be quite different because the policymakers have to take enforcement, implementation and feasibility into account. So we would expect to see narratives that we see in public debate not necessarily to appear in policy documents, for example. What we are finding is, however, specifically in the British case, that this doesn't seem to be the case in the case studies we're looking at, that we are seeing the same narratives that we see in political debate, in the public political debate, also appearing in policy proposals and the policy making venues. So in the UK context, we might consider, for example, very strong narratives around sort of invasion of immigrants who are currently crossing the channel. For example, we see very strong narratives around deserving or desirable immigration versus undeserving or undesirable immigration, often related to the route that someone has taken to reach the UK. So we're seeing these narratives in the public debate, the political public debate, and we are seeing versions of those steeped in slightly different language, but the underlying narratives are really copying through into policy proposals.